Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, welcome to the class. Today, we are going to read chapter number 5, The Golden Bird. We have already read chapter number 4 and I have explained it also. But we will not do its question answer because this is deleted chapter. So today we will read chapter number 5, The Golden Bird. Okay. So in this story there is a king and a golden bird. The king kept a golden bird in a cage. The king kept a golden bird in a cage, but after a few days he realized that is the right to hold a bird in a cage. So he ordered to his minister to free that bird. Okay, so we will see what is in this chapter, but before begin to our chapter, first we will read hard words. Some hard words is written on the blackboard. So first we will read hard words to correct pronunciation. Okay, so let's start. The first one is G-R-O-O-M-E-D, groomed. Groomed, it means brushed and cleaned. Brushed and cleaned. It means to clean or look after an animal by a brush. किसी ब्रश से एनिमल्स या फिर जो बर्ड्स होते हैं, बर्ड्स के क्या होते हैं, बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट फेदर्स होते हैं, तो या फिर जो डॉग वगैरह होते हैं उनके बॉडी पे जो फर होते हैं, तो उनको जब किसी ब्रश से स्मूथली उनको क्लीन करना, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ग्रूम्ड. ग्रूम्ड इट मीन्स ब्रश्ड एंड क्लीन्ड. ओके, ब्रश्ड एंड क्लीन, किसी ब्रश के थ्रू उनके फेदर्स या फिर उनके फर को क्लीन करना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड ग्रूम्ड. Now one, G-O-L-D-E-N, it's golden. Golden, it means bright yellow in color like a gold. Gold की तरह bright and yellow color. Gold की तरह bright and yellow color. It means golden का मतलब होता है जो gold की तरह bright and yellow होते हैं, that is called golden. Now H-U-N-G-R-Y, hungry. Hungry, it means wanting to eat. When you feel to eat something, that is called hungry. So जब आपको भूख लगती है और आप कुछ खाना चाहते हो, so that is called hungry. Hungry, it means wanting to eat. Now next, S-W-I-N-G-I-N-G, it's swinging. Swinging. Okay, swinging, it means to move from side to side, hanging from something. किसी चीज़ से लटक कर साइड टू साइड या बैकवर्ड और फॉरवर्ड जाना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्विंगिंग. जस्ट लाइक एज मंकी, मंकी जैसे करते हैं, मंकी जो होते हैं वो ट्री की ब्रांच से हैंग होकर के वो बैकवर्ड फॉरवर्ड जाते हैं, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्विंगिंग. सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ स्विंगिंग? स्विंगिंग, इट मीन्स टू मूव फ्रॉम साइड टू साइड while hanging from something. S-W-I-N-G-I-N-G, it's swinging. Now next, S-L-I-T-H-E-R-E-D, slithered. Slithered. S-L-I-T-H-E-R-E-D, it's slithered. What is the meaning of slithered? Slithered, it means moved quickly and smoothly by twisting its body. Have you seen a snake? Snake को देखा आपने? So how it's move their body. वो अपनी बॉडी को कैसे मूव करता है? So moved quickly and smoothly by twisting its body. स्नेक जो होता है अपने बॉडी को बिल्कुल क्विकली एंड स्मूथली जो होता है वो ट्विस्ट करता हुआ अपने बॉडी को चलता है, मोड़ता है. सो दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ मूव्ड क्विकली एंड स्मूथली बट twisting its body. Slithered. 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 Now next. Hissed. 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 Hissed, a sound of a snake. A snake makes a hiss sound. Okay. So hissed. 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 Now next one is whispered. Whispered. Once again, whispered. Whispered. Whispered, it means to smoke very quietly into somebody's ears. Okay, whispered. Whispered. Whispered, it means to spoke very quietly into somebody's ear. जब आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के ईयर में या अपने मम्मा के ईयर में कुछ बिल्कुल बुदबुदाते हुए धीरे धीरे बोलते हो, बिल्कुल फुसफुसाना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फुसफुसाना इन हिंदी वर्ड, फुसफुसाना. तो कान में जब बिल्कुल आप क्वाइटली धीरे साउंड में बोलते हो, सो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड विस्पर्ड, फुसफुसाना. ओके, सो whispered, whispered, to speak very quietly into somebody's ear. Now next, flapped is flapped. Flapped. Flapped, it means to move up and down, especially in wind. What is the meaning of flapped? Flapped. Flapped. Flapped, it means to move up and down, especially in the wind. Have you seen a bird when it's flapped their feathers? ठीक है, जब वो अपने पंख को फड़फड़ाती है एयर विंड में, वो क्या करती है, राउंड राउंड अप एंड डाउन वो घूमती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्लैप्ड. फ्लैप्ड अ हिंदी वर्ड फड़फड़ाना. Okay, a flapped, a Hindi word, fadfadana. So what is the meaning of flapped? Flapped, it means to move up and down, especially in wind. Once again, we will repeat hard words and their meanings also. So, groomed, 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 it means brushed and cleaned. Now, golden, 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 it means bright yellow in color like a gold. Now, next one is hungry, hungry, it means when you wanting to eat. swing, swinging, swing, swing, and once again when add ing, so it becomes swinging. swing, swinging. Swinging, it means to move from side to side while hanging from something. Now slithered, 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 slithered. What's the pronunciation? Slithered. Slithered, it means moved quickly and smoothly by twisting its body. Okay, now next one is hissed, 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 a sound of a snake. When a snake makes a sound, hiss, so that is called hissed. whispered, it's whispered. whispered, whispered. Whispered, it means to speak very quietly into somebody's ear, किसी के कान में फुसफुसाना. flapped, 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 it means to move up and down, especially in wind. So flapped, flapped, it means फड़फड़ाना. आपने देखा होगा कि जो बर्ड होती है वो अप एंड डाउन मूव करती है अपने फेदर्स को. ओके, सो फ्लैप्ड इट मीन्स टू मूव अप एंड डाउन स्पेशली इन विंड. सो that are our hard words and their meanings. I hope you must have understood. So you will write down in your notebook and learn it also. Goodbye. Have a nice day.